Hello, Mr. Kitty.
Wow, wow.
I don't know if you, maybe you have a ton of lone pairs of socks at home. Or maybe just some sock puppet friends that are ready for a new use. We have a recipe that's great for using up those socks.
Anyhow, now that our sock rant is over, I'm Shyla
And I'm Katie.
from Simply Earth.
We love using essential oils in creative ways and making new recipes and sharing them with you. And today we're gonna use up our socks to make some DIY aromatherapy rice bags. So these are really nice. They smell good because we're adding essential oils to them. And you can heat them up or cool them down to help ease sore muscles or just
headaches.
warm up. Maybe if you have cold feet, you can rest your toes on some nice warm socks.
Or if you get belly aches a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot of different ways you can use this. So let's get started.
All right, what do I gotta do with this guy? Take it off my hand first, right?
Yeah, so for this recipe, you're gonna need a sock. You also need some rice, and we are going to be using sweet orange essential oil and focus essential oil. These are really uplifting scents and help calm you as well. So first, depending on the size of sock you use, we are going to measure the rice. So we're gonna fill this sock half full.
So that was about 3-ish cups, give or take.
Yeah, and this is a pretty big sock. So depending on what sock you use, you could also do a shirt sleeve, like a long sleeve shirt, and sew one end, fill it up with rice, and then sew up the other.
That would work.
So now that we have the correct amount of rice, we're gonna pour it back out of the sock to add our essential oils.
So I'm going to need 10 drops of each. So 10 drops of orange.
And we're gonna add it right to the rice because we're not going to be using this rice on our skin. It's gonna go in the sock. So we're just gonna be able to smell the essential oils. They won't cause any irritation on our skin. All right, so stir that up so that it's evenly distributed, and then we're gonna pour it back into the sock.
All right, you wanna hold my soccer pooer open? There we go. Booyah!
Best method, that one. All right, now that it's filled, you can either, if you want, you can just tie your sock in a knot. You could sew the end, or we are going to use fabric glue. I've got some fabric glue right here, and I'm just gonna put some on the end here, and we'll seal it up. And once that glue has dried, it's ready to use.
All right.
And to use it, you can keep it in the freezer or you can microwave it depending on the size sock you use. You'll want to experiment with time. I found that minute works for about a sock about this size.
And the oils aren't gonna evaporate out of it because of the heat?
No, they're gonna be fairly protected in here. I've been using one at home.
Whoa!
You gotta wait for your glue to dry before you do anything crazy like that. So it smells really great. You can heat it up or cool it down, and the sock is gonna be your new friend.
I know, could be my new cat.
When you're finished with this great recipe, make sure you label it.
We've been getting a lot of questions about how to use these handy dandy labels, so we're gonna show you how.
Just cut them off, and the back is peelable, and you can pop it right on there. Our Aromatherapy Rice Bag, you don't want to put the sticker in the microwave, so we are going to put it on this bowl for storage. Good cutting, Shyla.
Thank you. Learned it in kindergarten. Ta-da! Woo! Now you have a label and you know what you just made. So for more recipes like this,
Head to simplyearth.com.
see you later.